Lesson number 9, Species in Peril. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain why it is important to protect natural populations. The Broads is home to some of the rarest animals and plants in the UK. The bittern, the swallowtail butterfly, the fen orchid, and the Norfolk hawker dragonfly are all species on the edge of extinction. Changes to their habitats over the last 100 years made it harder for them to exist. In 1997, there were just 7 male bitterns left in the UK. Most people will never see any of these 4 organisms, yet a lot of effort and money goes into protecting them. The protection of natural populations is very important. Every time a species becomes extinct, biodiversity is reduced. Careful management of the environment is called conservation. Conservation measures have brought the bittern back from the edge of extinction. Bitterns rely on reed beds. As these beds are delicate and can dry out, this habitat can easily be lost. Old reed beds have been cleaned and improved, and new reed beds have been created by making shallow lagoons. There are now 30 breeding pairs of bitterns in the UK, 10 of them in Norfolk. The swallowtail butterfly is the UK's largest butterfly and is a protected species. It is now only found in Norfolk. Its caterpillars feed on milk parsley. This is a plant common in the Broads, but not elsewhere. Careful management of the plant has meant that numbers of the butterfly are increasing in this area. The giant panda also needs to be protected. It lives in mountainous regions of southwest China. Logging, farming, and road building have divided up the area the pandas live in, so their habitats are becoming smaller. There are now efforts to put back the forests so that the different areas are linked up again. The World Conservation Union monitors populations of all natural species. In 2006, it published the Red List of Threatened Species. This showed that 2 out of every 5 species on the planet that have been assessed by scientists face extinction. The main cause of extinction is people. As human populations grow and need more and more resources, many other species are pushed out as they are unable to compete. Conserving all species in order to maintain biodiversity is important because of interdependence. The extinction of one species threatens others because that species might be a food source or a predator. If biodiversity is lost, scientists will also find it harder to find out how organisms adapt and evolve.